Hi everyone. Now let's talk about append method from Python list data structure. Now this append method can be used to add values to the existing list data structure. Now let's see how we can able to use append method. Now I am just taking products equal to, then I am using list here. So list you can say Samsung, whatever you can use, LG, then MI, then you can use Nokia, then you can use Apple, whatever you want. So these are the values I have. Now check whether it is a list data structure or not. Then you need to use type built-in function to verify that. So now we execute now. So let's see, now we can find like this is the list data structure. Now we need to take the elements also, number of elements. Now you can say print of total elements from list data structure. Then you can use here. Then length of products. So when we execute now, so we have 6 elements in list data structure. Now we can use append method. So how we can use append method? Now what I am trying to take here, products dot, then append method. Append, then existing element, if you want you can use that. So that is Lenovo. So now what we need to do, you can verify the products and same thing total elements after append. So now execute now. Let's see here, from the list we have this one, and previously we have 6 elements, and now after append operation existing element, the element is added for existing list data structure. Now let's see here, this is, now we have count is +1, that is 7. Now what we need to understand, so whenever we are adding any element, that will be added for this. Now let's see, no product also will be added, so it will be 7. Now we'll take one more example here, what exactly we need to do. So we have another method that you can say, I'm just taking an example how we can use append method. Just simple, the append method is adding up of the values, that's it, the value which we are going to pass to the existing list data structure. Now I am just taking one more example here, that is numbers. First you need to take another example, this is number equal to, then here I have 100, 200, then 300, whatever the values you can specify. So print of num, then print of type of num. So now execute, this is the list I have, and what I am trying to take. So in this list I am just adding up of, for I in num, then here what we need to do, print of I. Then here I'm just, if you want you can remove this. I'm adding up of num1 equal to then 700, 900 and 1000 and then 1500. These are the elements I have. So you can take it, this is as num1, here num1. So try to execute first, then these are the elements we have. Now I want to append this. So this num1 append into num list. So here what I am trying to take. Now let's see. Num dot then append of which one we need to append. The append is num1, that is list 2 we can say. Now print list after appending, and you can say list after appending append method is, then you can say num. When we execute, now see the list is added here. So using append method we can able to add elements, we can able to add list, both we can possible. But make sure one thing here, whenever you are adding any element using append method, we cannot add more than one element or more than one value. Now you can say I'm just taking two elements, like so no product and product I am trying to add in here. Now append takes exactly one argument, but we have given two. So we have given two parameters or two values for that append method, but append method will take exactly one argument. So if we want to add more than one element, what we need to do? We need to use extend method. In the later classes, extend method. Okay. So using extend method, we can able to add more than one element to the existing list data structure. So if you need, you can see and extend method classes. So this is all about list append method from Python. Okay. So thank you so much. See you in the next class.